Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular WAG12 locomotive over here. So we'll be continuing it. So now what I'll be doing over here is I'll be modeling a coupling over here. So for modeling this coupling area, so I have a reference. We can just take that reference if you want. We can just check out some of the reference over here. I'll just go over here. So definitely it's a tricky part. It's a bit of a details over here. So I'll just make a coupling right at the center over here for this. So slightly shuffle this over here because this is not the center over here for this. Slightly. Alright. So select this polygons and slightly insert it and just extrude it a bit inside over here. So the reference which I have taken over here, we can just try to replicate that reference, not a problem. So just take a box over here, just take a box over here. So slightly I'll just push this further over here. We also have some other references also, so we can use that also. So convert to editable poly, select this polygons, I'll slightly scale it, slightly shuffle this, I'll extrude this a bit out over here. So now again I will extrude this more out. I can use a swift loop over here. I can select this polygons, so select this edges, slightly shuffle it in this way. So slightly I'll go over here. I'll again put one more loop over here. I'll select this and I'll slightly extrude it. Select this edges and shuffle this in this way. So again select this edges, push this out, and now let's go over here. What we can manage, we'll do that now. So select the vertices, slightly push it in this way. Go to the top view over here. Let's just take a line tool. Take a line tool over here. So shift this up a bit. Shift this a bit out till here. Push this till here. Select this, both the vertices. Go over here and let's give a bit of fillet. So you can just give a bit of fillet over here. You can give fillet like this. So increase this fillet and increase this fillet in this way. So I've just given it as individually over here. I'll go into rendering, enabling viewport over here. So whatever details are there, now we'll just adjust with few of the details. I'll just put one swift loop over here, one here. Select the polygons and slightly I'll extrude it a bit inside. And now, what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just select this edges over here. I'll slightly shuffle this a bit further over here. Push it a bit inside. Select this. Select the polygons and slightly just extrude that. Select the vertices. Use a swift loop over here in this way. Again select this polygons, extrude a bit over here. So I'll go down, I'll just take a line tool, I'll make this shape, select the vertices and I'll give a bit of fillet. Take a box over here. So just shuffle this on top of this like this. So we are having very minute details. Sometimes we have to do it. So let's just make a cylinder over here. Just go over here. I'll just select this. I'll give a auto grid over here. That would be much better. I'll scale it. I'll reduce the height segments. You don't need a height segments for now. I'll slightly again scale that element. Again duplicate it. And into this I'll set it to 90 degree and I'll rotate it. So I'll just select this, I'll slightly just push it over here where you have this element. So I can just make one more copy of it. I'll just shuffle it over here. So now I'll go into this view and again I will take one more line tool. I'll off this auto grid over here like this. Select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet and reduce its thickness. So now we can just shuffle this and this. So just select this area over here again, and slightly insert it and extrude it by local normal a bit inside. That's it. After that, also have a few more details over here. So let's go into rendering, view image file. You can take some of the references, or if I have some other references, I can just go with that. So again, I'll go into this view. I'll just take a line tool over here and I'll just make it in this way. I'll increase its thickness like this till here. So you can just convert to editable poly and select the polygons and slightly extrude it by local normal. I'll reduce this in this way. Click OK. Select this, push this up, scale it, and put one swift loop over here. Extrude a bit up, or else just extrude this area. So just off this stuff and extrude it and this. After that, so again select this, go into the edges, and I can use cut over here. Select this polygons, slightly extrude it, again give a cut over here, select this polygons and extrude a bit and make it small. So just end isolate this stuff over here. So we can just mirror it. I'll make a copy of it, save your file, just mirror it, and y-axis, I'll just push this down in this way. So again, if you want one more copy, you can just take a line tool over here and slightly reduce its thickness. So again make a copy of it and just push this down a bit. So select this over here, convert to editable poly, and just extrude it by local normal and click OK. So definitely if you're going with the details, then it's going to take a longer time. So you're achieving the details, so it's definitely going to take a longer time. So we are definitely detailing few things. So same, convert to editable poly. So select this edges, ring it, control and click on the polygons, and again I'll extrude it very less, click OK. Alright, so let's just save the file over here. So guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see the details. We have generated a lot of details over here in the front section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So please stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.